wallahi. Keep the money. Everybody in this country. I tell you, madmen are already inside the bar zone. I don't ready to know.
Kill any money on the system. Once you have the money, you
don't mind anything we talk for here today, but you are welcome once again to the bar where we say we always talk everything. It's a vavavoom now, and we are ready to make sure say you go sit down for your TV set, grab your baby, and squeeze anything squeezable. It is your own. It is allowed because the three madmen, but not two. This is how because we get one person we sing that song with the inside the building. But before I bring that guy up, let me introduce the one and only, the man that went to Warri and went to Bayelsa to go and peace. He says he's a peace ambassador, but he's really the peace ambassador. Help me welcome the relationship organizer, MC Shakara.
Yo,
the peace ambassador.
Please. I didn't go to Warri and Bayelsa to go peace. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a weekend of celebration, so I went to my hometown.
And you peace there?
No, I didn't. I didn't.
If I hear?
No.
Shakara can never go anywhere without, it's not possible.
I had some performances.
You perform outside and inside.
And then I go see my beautiful and lovely
mother.
Yeah. Then I went to Bayelsa. Do you know I passed through former president village?
You did not see him? Where is Bayelsa now? You don't see good Lord Jonathan?
No, Jonathan is near Bayelsa. Don't
Where
be
is he?
deceived. Don't be deceived. Jonathan is outside this country. Somewhere. You know, if you have plenty to eat, you have to
do
find somewhere to rest and be eating.
Jonah knows he's a homely man. He don't even go back to university to teach chef. You know what here?
I pray.
But how I go like to see Jonathan by the blackboard lecturing and teaching and saying, let me teach you on politics of Nigeria. You understand? Then
even himself, those things when I be teach those, you could not come up for head. You get how you go see money, you go speak English wrongly.
I tell you why English. When you don't speak wrongly,
no, I never see that kind of money.
Excuse me. Speak one English. Since when you don't begin, when you don't hammer. Just give me one wrong English.
Now, big man, say, take this money, it's you. Now you be the money, take this money, it's you. Now it's for you.
DJ Khaled.
Say, go spend some money for
your mother. Take this one for you. Take this one for you.
Nigeria rich guy, they give get. Take this money. Keep on well,
no come again, no. Okay, well, welcome to BOBOS, Yan and Shakara. You don't see inside the bar. The person when you hear that song, that song is very, very interesting.
I swear to God.
I love this song.
No.
Moje, make we spend some money. Moje me say make we go. Go cash kill some money. And ladies like when the BOBOS are spending money. So inside we bar tonight, we get this one and only. You feel never see and where, but if you check Hip TV and the rest, the music don't they go everywhere. Help me make welcome the one and only Zanga Prince.
Yes.
Zanga Prince. Why I say?
Boss of life.
Why I say? You need to explain Zanga Prince. Explain to me Zanga Prince because Zanga knows na. Like, what those lungu or something.
Yes.
Anywhere you find yourself is the Zanga.
Is the Zanga. Like here now, Zanga.
Oh, man, the Zanga.
Tell them about this Zanga.
Know, man. This place, now the Zanga.
I don't tell them.
You understand?
They don't
anywhere, whether you sleep, you dey your house, your mama kitchen, anywhere.
That's your Zanga.
That's your Zanga. So even if you anywhere you see your woman,
anywhere, man.
Like this, my guy Showman, he get one corner when they go bracket some guests. Is that a Zanga?
Anywhere, any joint.
It's a Zanga. Until when I see now say, Shakara talk about me now and I agree. I know me and you no get any issue.
Question.
No, you ask question. If I ask about you, I'll say you no go talk say about it now.
I know be say when you talk rubbish. If you talk true. Were you not in a Zanga over the weekend?
It's a bad thing to tell this guy something. You can never ever keep your secrets. But I don't want to even go that way because we just have to enter into the matter very, very sharp, and make sure say we tell them wait till we come bring inside we bar tonight. So we want to take note whether how many minutes babe suppose take to the dress, you understand? Because most time when we say one come on, we get fit take 1 hour, 2 hours, you understand? But we really want to know how many minutes babe suppose they take dress. Shakara, should I start with your Zanga because
I must start with me because me I fit tell you everything about this babe.
You know why this guy fit tell you this? No, another bad sharp guy I know.
That's where the best Zanga please.
You know I know this guy right from where would they hustle from Surulere, you know? You know,
all those
yes, everywhere, I'm saying, what do you know about Italori?
So tell me about Italori. I know say Italori has where all the house, but Zanga. That's the main.
That's the main lungu.
No, but Italori it's a very rescuing place sometimes. So when we say even for Abuja, Italori is still very old.
So they can use music and fine boy call the colonize
every
all the girls that
Zanga.
time because before you get on some way we do Babangida. Everything like Babangida, you know.
Yeah. All of these artists, they go just they use music, chop girl, they crank. How many girls you don't crank since when you begin to sing like this?
Girls. That one.
No,
could leave that one.
Uncountable, ba?
Okay,
so on the matter now, because that means you will be very experienced.
But let me tell you about
this dressing matter.
Me I will classify. And I will testify.
Hey, you want to do music for us, for you?
So how long babes supposed to dress?
I want babes, if not babes, normal, like 3 hours.
No,
2 hours.
Now, wait.
No, they tell you now.
This is based on the fact say you tell us what thing they do.
And I saw no.
But from a guy's point of view now, how many minutes? Because
you know, I don't really. I've seen a girl that dresses up in more than 2 hours.
Yes, now.
More than 2 hours.
I tell you, if you time up, you
but in all fairness, because ladies they watch us now, maybe come be like say with the you have to specify the kind of event where the girl do want go. We make a dress for that. I mean, was she just going to supermarket with you, or was it a club, or was it a very big function?
let me come and classify.
Because I believe say every function gets the amount of hours we get or minutes.
Take dress.
Make her classify. Babe, if she won't wear shoe, you understand? She go take like about. You don't. Our drop alone. She don't go check shoe. You know how many minutes you don't take to check.
Now the shoe they talk
about. But get if you check shoe before.
Some of these guys, even if they don't check, they be like people will be say something they control. You understand? They don't carry something, wear they remove them. That's the process. You understand?
But you know if you say so is this annoying? It really annoy you as a guy? Say girls they really take because I feel they are doing it for you. They want to look good.
Me personally, waiting I don't even imbibe now. Be say if me I get day, we want to go out. If we go out by let's say 2 p.m. for afternoon, I go tell say babe 12 noon, we go somewhere. You understand?
That's white lie.
So by 10
she go. But not be every girl if you do that because you get some girls where I know. When some tomboyish girls they will say if you blink your eye in less than 20 minutes. They don't. Me, I can take time on dress, personally.
No, now we talk about you the ladies. That's what we're talking about.
No,
that's what they take time.
I remember saying before we enter bar, where you go, I stand there. I tell you say, Showman,
but I don't waste time now. I don't waste time. No, but in all fairness, you understand. I understand where you try come from. I understand where you try come from. But take for instance now that upload the same video. Where Yaya sing. You see that woman where the wife of the man we know made them give out their daughter. You say before them the man don't even enter inside car. She form not wanting to go for the marriage. But before you blink your eye, she do already tie wrapper, everything, do makeup. So sometimes
they fast forward down.
No, but you know what they try to tell you for that this even when the woman be lie down inside bed, she will already do her makeup. Watch the video where now. If you watch her, you go know.
But normal, I want to say something. Normal, like let's say, okay, fine. A lady wants to go out. You understand? Normal. You understand? Let's say she'll just take like about, okay, fine. If it's not more than 2 hours, like 1 hour, 30 minutes. If you check her makeup alone, will pass about 1 hour, 30 minutes.
But some ladies, they make up inside car while they drive.
Normal. When you don't pressure them. Say, gas to, because last, I know, was it on Sunday? I go like you want to go pick one girl. So I don't call her about 12. And that show is about 4.
That's now on the bad part when you want say you want to come pick you understand. I never say any girl when you go call say you don't call her say I'm coming to pick you understand. You can't reach there. The girl no go either see don't come outside. Then you go see come wait and for night they very annoying.
As in this one I tell you from 12 to 4 she never dress finish.
And you go with the wait.
Now let me explain to you.
You don't understand.
See, the reason why some of them that hours where they see so, it gets some girls where we say that you get this oil where they rub
like your
for
face.
body.
Okay. So you talk about coming up.
No. That oil, you know, be the final this year. That one just like
foundation,
lubricant for their body. You understand?
How you think get the rub oil before?
When they rub that oil, listen.
Oil and waiting again.
I am vast. That oil, if they rub finish you.
For Harmattan period,
if they rub the oil, they come either maybe fan or something will go dry their body. That means if there's a hurry,
because you need your face to be dry before you go feel makeup.
So they come all their body like this, or they fan, they blow them or AC or anything. You understand?
Naked for you.
Not for me. You understand? Listen. That's the process.
I want to pause this your story.
So when their body don't dry,
I know your experience.
No, make it just finish.
When the body don't dry, before they come begin attend to face. And face they start with foundation. And once you do foundation, first you have to give some few minutes.
I'm telling you, that one dry. Once that one dry,
now
you go enter on that one again. Then get
because
different
foundation they watery someone like this.
Watery?
Yes.
Foundation watery.
Foundation, let me tell you that they beat you.
Now like powder.
But tell you. See this guy.
We won't leave one foundation right now. We go on this little break. Here we tell our men get to talk for with street. Don't go anywhere. This is what they call agogo for street. When they come back. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.